Are you regularly struggling with a sleep problem? It may be a sleep disorder. Sleep problems can be caused by various factors. Although causes might differ, the end result of all sleep disorders is that the body's natural cycle of slumber and daytime wakefulness is disrupted or exaggerated. Follow these 14 simple steps to overcome your problems. Quick sleep tips. Follow these tips to establish healthy sleep habits. 1. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Get up at the same time every day, even on weekends or during vacations. 2. Set a bedtime that is early enough for you to get at least 7 hours of sleep. 3. Don't go to bed unless you are sleepy. 4. If you don't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed. 5. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. 6. Use your bed only for sleep and sex. 7. Make your bedroom quiet and relaxing. Keep the room at a comfortable, cool temperature. 8. Limit exposure to bright light in the evenings. 9. Turn off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. 10. Don't eat a large meal before bedtime. If you are hungry at night, eat a light, healthy snack. 11. Exercise regularly and maintain a healthy diet. 12. Avoid consuming caffeine in the late afternoon or evening. 13. Avoid consuming alcohol before bedtime. 14. Reduce your fluid intake before bedtime. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please click on the bell icon and subscribe to KSI Talkies.